Hello, Scrapper. I know, it's have been a long time. I think it's 1.5 years I didn't make any videos. But when you are so busy and sometimes you are sick for a long time and you don't have time to work, this is what you get. My workshop is a disaster. Everything is a disaster, but I will repair that, and I will come back again putting some videos for you, and everything will be just fine. Okay guys, here's my little workshop. Everything is in its place, everything is good, and I will start working in my little workshop and make videos for you, scrapping and enjoying with you. See you in another video. Bye bye.